it's your girl T back with yet another video. So today I went to Dollar Tree and Walmart and I decided to do a haul video of what I bought because I plan on doing finally doing a backdrop and kind of revamping my makeup area. So I went and bought some decorative pieces and do-it-yourself arts and crafts materials. So stay tuned and we'll get started. So to start off with, I went to Walmart and I got this this fabric. It's like a metallic silver color. I got like 5 yards because I purchased 4 of these trifold boards right here because I'm going to do a backdrop video. I also got a glue gun, some glue sticks, spray paint because I'm going to be doing makeup organizing video. What else did I get? I got these really cute candles. When you turn them on, you can't really see it now, but they change colors. From Dollar Tree. So of course these are $1. I have a few of these already because I'm going to do a makeup brush holder do-it-yourself video, also from Dollar Tree. Decorative accent beads, marbles to fill them with. I got these baskets, which I'm going to spray paint. These are also from Dollar Tree. More marbles from Walmart. I got a whole bunch of glitter because I plan on trying to do glitter on my eyes. And to be honest with you, all these pressed glitter palettes and stuff that people do, there's no actual glitter that's safe for your eyes, so I'm just going to use regular glitter. This one comes with assorted 12 colors. Let me open it so we could see what colors they have. Took the wrapping paper. Hi Cairo, my lovely cat. Say hey. It's my baby. So she wants to be in the video, so I'm gonna allow her to get her 5 minutes of fame. But anyway, so it comes with some pretty cool colors, gold, green, the basic colors. And then I also got another 16 color packet. This has fine glitter in it. I feel like these will work better, but all the same, beautiful colors. And then I got more glue sticks from Walmart. These are longer, so they'll last through arts and crafts project a little bit better. And I also got these jewels, acrylic gems, because I'm going to be doing a lot of arts and crafts. So I got a tub of them. This was probably the most expensive thing that I got. This was like $11 at Walmart. And this is what it looks like. These were well, this one was like 2 something. This was like 3 something. Everything was a decent price. I can't complain. The spray paint, I got silver metallic spray paint from Walmart. This was like 2 something as well. I got 2 of them. But I'm so excited. Upcoming videos because it's been a long time coming. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed watching my whole video, and And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.